Hi, Shrikar.
Yes, I'm back, children. Yeah, have you revised, people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, so till what we have discussed in last class, we were discussing identities and we one formulas, if I'm not wrong. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. And guys, I asked you to solve simultaneously book problems as well. Guys, we will be solving the basic questions where we'll be revising everything and make sure that we are, preparing for your board exam in a that particular way. Okay. Okay. So we will just make sure that uh, speaker, you are also from state board only, right? I mean, speaker.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So look guys, now I'm going to like in last class we have discussed identities that and all. So now we'll be talking about transformations like factorization and defactorization formulas. So transformation formulas, transformation. I'm just writing somewhat fast, guys. Try to understand. Okay, will you be able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So yeah. So we have seen sin A plus B is cos A plus B, everything, right? So now
Yes, sir.
if I talk about the formulas, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, which gives you what? Right, sin A plus B formula and sin A minus B. Add these two things. What would you get? What
2
would
sin A plus B into sin A minus B. None.
2 sin A cos B.
yes? So sin A plus B is two times of sin A into cos B. Second formula, if you just add sin A plus B minus sin A minus B gives you what? 2 times of cos A into sin
Sin
B.
B.
Alright. So third formula is what? Guys, these are very simple actually. If you want proof,
Yeah.
substitute, add कर दो बस आपको मिल जाएगा. You will get it very simple. Alright. 2 cos A into cos B. Hope it is clear. Fourth one I could say cos A plus B minus cos A minus B formula. What happens?
2 sin A sin B.
Minus 2 times of sin A sin B. Okay. Now cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. What is this? 2 sin A sin B. Okay. Now we'll talk about few more formulas. These all are one category formulas. Now if I talk about one more category formulas, like in transformation, sine C plus sine D formula, very important. So 2 times of sine C
D by
plus
2.
D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Second formula is of sine C minus sine D. If I talk about ulta, here sine will come, sorry, here cos will come, here sine will come. Everything is same. Replace sine with cos and cos with sine. That's it.
2 cos C plus D by 2 into sine C minus D by 2.
I'm just telling you the trick to remember. The trick here, replace sine with cos, cos with sine. That's it. Same thing. All right, clear? Hope it is clear, guys.
Yes, sir.
Srikar, are you able to follow or not?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to follow my pace? I mean talking fast.
No, sir. I'm fine with the piece.
Very good. I mean, if I'm talking fast, if I'm teaching anything like in a not understandable way, please feel free to tell me. Feel free to tell me that, sir, I'm not understood and I didn't understand that. Can you please come back with that concept again? Definitely, I'll go with that. Okay, please do ask. Feel free to ask. That's kind of freedom you have over here. All right, over the period of time, we have been giving that freedom to the students. So yeah, so that kind of freedom you also having here, that if you don't understand anything, you can ask me immediately. All right, clear? So these are four
sir.
formulas are very important. Everywhere we'll use this, very important. Sine C plus sine is what? 2 sine and cos. Here cos and sine. And now cos C plus cos D is what? Both cos and cos. Cos C minus cos are both sines, but minus here. Don't forget. This is a very
Minus.
simple formula. Okay. The fourth formula is was somewhat difficult. I mean, somewhat difficult, somewhat different comparatively 1, 2, 3 formulas. Hope it is clear, Srikar.
Yes,
So
sir.
remember the formula. For IP point of view, you need to remember the formulas. But what you have to do, you have to remember the formulas for IP point of view. For solving the questions, we'll just get into now. Shall we go for the questions now? Shall we go for the? Shall we go for this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Guys, everyone, first you write the note. Here, note. Everyone write the note. Sine of minus theta is what? Cos of minus theta is what? Tan of minus theta is what? Sine of minus theta will be always minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta will be always plus cos theta. Tan of minus theta will be always minus theta. Cos function will be always different. The cos function, wherever you have cos formulas, cos function will be always different than other trigonometric functions. So make sure that you are writing this carefully. If sine of negative theta is minus sine theta, the cos of when cosec of negative theta is what? Tell me. Secant of negative theta is what? And
Sec theta only, sir.
very good, very good. Here, look at this. Why? Here,
Sir,
sine
cos
of,
and sec is related, no, sir.
no, they are reciprocal to each other. Sine and cosecant is what? Minus cosec theta. And cos theta and secant theta they are related to each other. So now look, I mean reciprocal to each other. Here secant theta only. This is what? Minus cot theta only. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, people. Okay. Why sine and cosec are what? Reciprocal to each other. If cos is positive, of course secant will be positive only, right? Cos can be written as what? 1 by secant theta. 1 by positive is always positive only, right? They are reciprocal to each other. That is the reason if cos is positive, secant also will be positive. Sine is negative, cosecant will be negative. Tan is negative means cot will be also negative. Hope it is clear. Clear? Yes. So now we'll just get into the questions. What is the tan theta minus 14 pi? Guys, remember one thing. Whatever the questions from your textbook, apart from your textbook, they will not give anything. Questions would come from your textbook only, 100%. So please make sure that you are just going through this. So what is the answer of this?
Minus tan theta, sir.
Sorry,
Minus tan theta.
minus.
No, sir, tan theta.
Everyone. What's the answer? Come on, tell me. Tan theta. Very good. Tan theta is the right answer.
Tan theta, sir.
How tan theta? So how did you solve? Can you please tell me?
Sir, tan minus of
See,
14 pi minus theta.
Yeah. Why
Minus 14 pi
yeah,
plus theta, sir.
we have some 14 by 2 pi minus theta, right? But not theta minus something. So I can take minus common here.
Yeah.
If I take tan of negative theta is what? Tan of negative theta is what? Look at this, minus tan theta. So minus tan theta. What is theta? 14 pi minus theta. Okay, clear? Isn't it? Isn't it, people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus tan 14 pi minus theta. How much? 14 pi. Look at this here. 14 pi. Here, this is 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi. Guys, look at this here. Try to understand here revolvations. Here, if I make a full circle, it is a 2 pi. How many times if I make so it becomes 14 times? 7 times, isn't it? Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
People? So, hello, isn't it, people? How many revolvations if I make so it becomes 14 pi? So 7 2 pi times. 7 times I need to revolve, isn't it? Here 2 pi, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look at this here. Here, what is the number I have here? 7. 7 into pi. 7 2 pi's. 7 2 pi's can be written as what? 7. How many times? Sorry. 2 pi how many times? 7 times. Which is nothing but what? Here minus as it is tan of 2 pi minus theta. How much is that? Minus tan theta.
Yeah.
So minus theta minus plus. If you don't understand, let me tell you the shortcut as well. Let me tell you the shortcut as well. Guys, do you have, how many of you know that? Miku, if you don't understand like that. 14 into pi how much? 14 into pi how much? 14 into 180. You can do like that as well. Or he has given pi, so let it be right. Let it 4 pi only. If you have 14 into 180, how much? 14 into 180, how much? 14, 14, 256. 14, 14, how much? Not 256. 196. So 196 plus 56. 252. Isn't it? Am I right? 2520. So 2520 is a very big number. So I won't suggest you to go by that method. Better you go by this method only. 14 pi minus theta. 14 pi minus theta is nothing but what? 14 pi minus theta. So 7 into 2 pi times half. So guys, look at this here. 1 time, 2 time, 1 time, 2 times, 4 times, again 5 times. Here always look at this here. 2 pi times, 4 pi times, 7 times. Where it happens? Common sense. If you just apply your common sense, if you just use your common sense, 1 pi, 2 pi, okay, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi. All right, 7 pi, isn't it? 7 pi. After 7 pi, after finishing 7 pi, where it is stop? It is stopping here. Is it people clear? So it is stopping here. So minus theta, it is going back again. In second quadrant, tan is negative only, right? Isn't it, people? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It
sir.
is stopping here again, going back. Minus theta, plus theta is means going forward. Minus theta is going back. It is stopping somewhere in the second quadrant. Second quadrant tan will be negative. So that's what I wrote negative here. Okay. So you can just imagine like that, common sense. So you'll get the answer. Okay. Next question. Hope it is clear with every one of you.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or else let me give a hint here. Note, if you have something like trigonometric function, tan of n into 2 pi minus theta. If n is odd, then you will be, of course, negative. Clear. If n is even, I'll tell you forward. I'll tell you that a thing in forward. If n is odd, you can write, 1 second. N is odd times, so my minus. Okay, n is what here? 7, right? 7 times. So that's how you got it 7 times. If you compare this and this with. Okay, now I'll give you simple question here. Solve it, everyone. I mean, these are textbook questions only. We are not discussing anything beyond that. Okay. And guys, if you have any important question bank, you just tell me. We are preparing for IP, not for JE. Whatever the question you have, I mean your board exam, whatever the questions you had, we were preparing for JE. In last class, we were preparing for JE. Now I'm just teaching you for IP for your board exam. Okay, clear? So if you have important material also, you can suggest me so that we will follow that. Why? Because we have we need to go for important questions only for getting good marks in AP. Clear? Yes. Tell me what is the answer for this? For
Minus cot
JE,
theta.
for JE will not be
Tan
having a
theta.
not plus here. Look at this here. Let me write here 2 pi by this one, right? How can I write this? Tell me. 21 by 2. 21 into 180 by 2. 90 times 9, 18. 180, 1890 times. 1890 times minus theta. I mean 21 times of pi. 21 times of pi. Common sense. 21 times of pi. 21 times of pi by 2. Or else you break this. How can you break this? How can you break this? Guys, how can I break this? 21 by 2 can be written as what? 10.5, right?
The 21 into 90.
21 into 90. That is also correct.
90
Huh.
minus theta.
Minus theta. So now look at it here. 21 is odd number here. Isn't it? Hello? Huh. Then what happens?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh. Tell me. Yes, yes. Srikar. Srikar, are you here? Srikar. Someone was calling me. Who's that? Srikar.
Yes, sir.
He was calling me. What? Can you please tell me what he was?
Sir, complementary angle, so we change it into tan.
I didn't get you.
90 degrees, right, sir? So do we change it into tan theta?
Where? Huh, acha, you are saying that. Okay. That odd, so we can change it. You are saying like that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can do that as well. You can do that as well. No problem at all. Look at this, guys. 1 second. My pen is not writing, guys. Just a minute. I'll write. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Yes, children. So today there is so much of disturbance from my side. That I know I'm what do you call that? My pen is not writing today, and that too no power. I'm extremely sorry for that. Hello, can you hear my voice?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yeah, I'm extremely sorry for that.
It's okay, sir. No problem.
Yeah. Now can you see I'm just scribbling something here? Can you see I'm writing?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. Now it is what. Yeah. So what you were saying?
So do we change it to tan theta?
Yeah. Look at this here. Basically, we have a shortcut. I have a shortcut for telling that. Let me tell you, guys. If you have basically 90, no, odd multiple of here, odd multiple of 90, odd multiple of 90, then can you, how can you, odd multiple of 90 means 21 times of 90, where it becomes? Where it becomes?
Sir, in sign.
Hmm?
In science house, sir.
Which house?
Science house, sir.
Yeah. So then if not, you simply write this as, if not, you can simply write this as like, can write 10 pi times plus pi by 2. 10 pi, but if I take LCM and go with that, again, I'll be getting, 21 times of pi by 2 only. Isn't it? Yes or no, people?
Yes, sir.
You can just do in that way as well. You can break into cot 90 minus theta at last, and you can just give it as a tan theta. Is it clear? Any doubt? Then how can I convert this thing as now? How can I convert this thing as?
Sir, 5 into 2 pi.
5 into 2 pi. 5 into 2 pi if I convert, so come on, 5 into 2 pi if I convert, so what happens? You can say very simple, very simple. Come on, come on. If you convert into 5 into 2 pi, so what happens? Have you learned or not in 10th class? Srikar, have you learned this thing, coordinate system, in the 10th standard?
No, sir. I learned it this year.
10th standard you didn't learn?
No, sir. CBSE.
You are from CBSE?
10th CBSE, sir. This year,
Okay,
state.
okay. Got it. 10th CBSE.
Yes, sir.
Fine, not an issue. Look at it, let me tell you. Here 10 pi, right? So look at it. Can you break this as what? Again 5 into 2 times of pi plus pi by 2 minus theta. Very simple. All right. So look at this here. Cot again. Again here formula. Look at this here. Here what? N into 2 pi plus theta, which always gives you what? Cot theta. What is N here? What is
5,
N
sir.
here? 5. So this gives you what now? Cot theta simply. Cot theta. What is theta? pi by 2 minus theta. So cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. Or else, if you don't want to solve that, you can solve in this method as well. Look at this, 21 into 90, which gives you what? 18. 18 how much? 1890. 1890 minus theta. So cot of 1890 minus theta. Look at this. 1890 can be broken as what? 9 multiples of 9. Multiples of 9. 90 into what? 90 into what?
21
21. 20.
minus theta.
10 times. 21 times minus theta. Here what kind of this theta it is? Odd, right? Then odd means what it becomes?
Changes, sir.
Odd it changes. Look at this now. So then tan theta directly. Cot will be changing as tan theta. That's how also this is also shortcut. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall we solve one more question and just tell you, Srikar, are you able to
Sir.
understand? I'll teach you one more sum so that you will understand in a clear way. So 5 pi plus theta, right? Then how can I solve this? 5 pi plus theta, 5 pi, right? So cosec 5 pi is nothing but what? 5 pi, how much? 5 pi means 4,000, not 4,000, 900, right? 5 into 180, how much? 900 only, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Cosec 900 can be written as what? 90 into 10 plus theta. What?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is this even? The function will not change. Cosec theta.
Sir,
Sorry,
minus cosec theta.
minus cosec theta. So 90 into 10 times. Look at this here. 90 into 10 times. This is a 1 time, 2 times. This is a 90, right? This is a 9, 1 time, right? 1 time. 2 times here, 3 times here, 4 times here. People are able to understand or not? Look at this here. 4 times. 94 times stops here. Again 8 times stops here. 9 times. So 10 times. 9 times, 10 times. And moving in the third quadrant. Third quadrant cosec will be negative, right? Negative cosec theta. Getting my point? Shortcut. How is the shortcut? Very
Yes.
beautiful. Look at it. Very, very simple and beautiful. Look at it. Imagine here 2 pi, right? 0, 2 pi. Here 90, right? Here this 90, this is 180, 270, 360. 1 times it makes what? 360. If 1 revaluation. All right, 1 revaluations. So how many times? How many 90s here? How many 90s, guys? Look at it here. How many 90s? 10 90s. So here, if I just go 190, 290, 390, 490, here till this 490s. One more round, how many 90s? 80 90s. All right, 8 90s. 9 90s. 10th 90 stops here. 10th 90 stops here, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
10th 90 stops here. Plus theta. Plus theta means going forward, which is going in third quadrant. Third quadrant cosec is negative, right? Very simple. Hope it is clear. Yes or no, people? How is the logic is? How the logic is? Getting my point. Let us solve one more question. You will get understand. You will understand. Secant of 4 minus theta. Secant of 4 minus theta. First, write this as a normal thing. Secant of 4. 4 into 80, how much? 4 into 180. 520. Sorry, 720, not 520. Isn't it? 720 minus theta. How we got 720? Srikar, can you please tell me?
4 into 180, sir.
Very good. So 720 can be written as, always you try to write multiples of 90. Multiples of 90 is what? 8.
19 to 8.
Look at it, 90 into 8. 98 times. 8 rounds of 90. 1 round, 2 round, 3rd round, 4th round, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8. Guys, always multiples of 4 rounds will stop here. 4 rounds here, 8 rounds here, 12 rounds here, 16 rounds here, 20 rounds. Everything will stop here, right? Here stopping. Again, guys, look at here. It is stopping at 8 rounds are stopping here, right? Again, coming back. Minus, right? Hello. Ritik, are you able to understand? Coming
Yes,
back.
sir.
Coming back. Which quadrant? Which quadrant it is?
Fourth.
Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant secant positive. So secant what?
Yeah.
Secant
Secant theta,
only.
that's it.
Here what we have here? Even function. Whenever you have even function, function will not change. Whenever you have odd function, look at it.
It will
8
change.
is even function, right? 8 is an even number, right?
Yeah.
Let me show it to you here. Here it was an odd number. It was an odd number. So function changes as what? Cot becomes as a tan. Look at it here. 21 rounds. 21 rounds of 90. So here 4 rounds will stop here, 8 rounds will stop here, 6, 12, 16, 20, 21 minus theta. 21 where 21 will go? 21 will go here, guys. 21 will go here, isn't it? And stops here. Again coming back, minus theta means first quadrant only. First quadrant, what happens? Everyone will be positive, right? Only change is what? Here odd. This 21 is odd. So cot will become tan. That is also correct. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I give one more question so that you will be able to solve now? Hello, look at this. Logic, just logic. That's it. Let me tell you one more thing. Now you have secant divided 21 degree, 2100 degrees. Guys, if he is giving in terms of radians, this is in radians, this is in degrees, isn't it? Do you understand or not? Whatever he gives in terms of pi, 2 pi, in terms of pi, whatever he is giving in terms of pi, that will be always in radius. Whatever he is giving in terms of numbers like this, that is always in degrees. So secant, this can be written as what? Tell me.
Sir, 90 into 23 plus 30.
90 into 23
Plus
23
30.
plus 30. 90 into 23. Huh? Or else can you write? Can you simply write this like this? 2160 minus 60, isn't it? 160 minus 60, 100 only, right?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no? 2160 can be written as what in multiples of 90? 90 into what? 9 2s 18, 9 3s 230, isn't it? Minus 60. Hello? Yes or no? Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How many times? 230 times. It is an even number. Even number. So secant will be secant only. Secant what? 60 only. Isn't it? Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Guys, are you able to understand or not here? Look at this here. Even 230 is an even number, right? Function will not change now. Secant 60 degrees is answer. Whether it's a plus or minus or you have to check it out. Plus or minus or, tell me. 230 times. 230 is a whether it's a multiple of 4 or not? Tell me. 230 is a multiple of 4 or not? No.
No.
So what is the nearest number? What is the nearest multiple of 4 to 230? 220, 224, 228. 228 will stop here. 228 times it will stop here. 220 to 90 times stops here, isn't it? Again, 229, 230. 230 minus 60. So second quadrant. No. 230 times, or which, how many times? 90 into 228. 230 is a multiple of 4 or not? Check it out. No. 230 is a multiple of 4 or not? Hello? 230 is a multiple of 4 or not?
Yes,
or
sir.
else can you write? Is it so?
Which one? 230 into 4, 230, 230.
230 is not a multiple of 4.
Yeah, that's not multiple.
5 times? No. What is the nearest multiple of 4 to 230? What is the nearest multiple to 230?
228.
228. So 228 stops here. 229, 230, 230 finishes here and goes back. Which is second quadrant.
Second quadrant.
So negative. So minus 2 should be the answer then. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Or else, if you don't want to write, sir, do we need to write only multiples of 90? Can we write multiples of 360 also? What is the multiple of 360? 360 how many times? 360 into 6 times. Can I write? 36, 6, 210 only, right? 216 only, right? Hello? 36
Yes, sir.
into 6 times. 36 into 6 times. Check it out. 216, right? So 216, 10, so 10. Clear? So 366 times. 360 one time here, 2 times here, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. Minus theta. Minus theta coming here in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant secant positive. So positive. So answer is +2. Clear? Isn't it, people? But if you're writing it the 90, why it is not coming? That is my doubt. It should come, right?
Yes, sir, it's coming.
If 90, look at this, 90. We are making mistake actually. If I write 90, 90 into how many times? 92.
Into 23, sir.
Oh, 24 times, not 23 times. 24 times. Look at this. 90 to 24 only, right? Hello.
24.
Look at this. It comes actually. We made a calculation. 90 into 90 twos, 9 twos, 18, 3 remainder, 9 fours, 36, right? 24 times. Hello. People, it is coming actually. We wrote 23 times, not 24 times. Isn't it, people? Hello. Getting my point
Yes,
here? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? No, 90, 24 times. So 24 times stops here and coming back, fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant secant is positive. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll give one more question, guys. You tell me now. Minus 315 times. Cot 300. Cot of negative theta is what? Cot of negative theta is always minus cot theta. So 315, how can I write multiples of 9?
360 minus 45.
90 into what? 90 into
3.
3.
Yeah.
270 plus 45.
90. Okay, 45. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
90, 3 times, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Plus 45, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, cot positive or negative? Or negative. Negative. So odd here, odd number I have. So it becomes what? Tan. Tan 45. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Answer is what?
Tan 45 positive.
1.
Okay, yeah.
Very simple. Clear? Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
Very simple, guys. So why you are writing minus here? Tell me. Why? Because in fourth quadrant, cot is negative, right? Guys, 91 times, second time 90, third time 90 stops here. Plus 45. Plus 45 again going towards fourth direction. I mean like fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cot is negative. So negative into negative, positive. So like that. Or you can solve like this as well. Can you write this minus cot 350 can be written as what? Minus cot 360 minus 45 also correct, right? 360 minus 45. 360 minus theta. Which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, cot positive. Hello. 360 minus 45. Which quadrant?
No fan.
360 minus theta. 360 minus theta. Fourth quadrant, cot negative, cot 40. Ritvik,
Yeah. Yes, sir.
you're talking to someone else.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay, fine, children. So this is what the answer is about. Any doubts here? Any doubts? Did you understand now the
No, sir.
shortcut? Did you understand the shortcut? The methods whichever we have solved, like this, the method which we have gone through, here. The method which we have gone through here, this method, that method, don't follow that. Basically, please try to follow whichever the method I told you. How can we solve this method in a short way? How can we solve the first question in a short way? If you know this, guys, everything is simple. Entire trigonometry is going to be very simple. As now, look at this now. From this, tan of minus 14. This is what I have, minus tan of 14 into 18. How much? 14 into 18. How much? 14 is 256. So 196. 196 plus 56, 262. 262. I mean 2620. I think. Check it out. People, 14 into 180. How much? Calculations. Are you imagining here? Are you guys able to imagine here? Hello. 14 into 180 was 2520, not 2620. 2520 minus theta. So 2520 can I write a multiple of 9? 90 to what? 9 2
28.
28. 280 times, not 28 times, not 280 times. Minus theta. So look at this, minus as it is 98, 28 times. Whether 28 is a multiple of 4 or not? Yes, it stops here. And coming what? Which quadrant now? Tell me. That's 28. 28 stops here. Isn't it? 28 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 28 rounds it stops here. Again coming minus theta. Minus theta, which quadrant? Which quadrant? Hello. It is stopping here
Fourth.
and coming backward. Minus, right? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, tan is what? Negative. So minus or minus plus tan theta. Look at the same answer we are getting or not? Check it out. That's how we can just do this, guys. Any doubts here? Any doubts, people?
No, sir.
Hope it is clear with every one of you.
No, sir.
Seeker,
Yes, sir.
okay, you solve your exercise problems now. You also, Ritvik, Devanshika, you as well. Okay, so I'm winding up the class now. So yeah, all right. So I just whatever the I just thought of taking more, but there's no power, so my eyes are blinking. I'm just teaching in the darkness only. All right. I'm sitting in the darkness and just going with the class. Okay, people. So let's wind up the session now, and let's continue in the next session. I mean, all right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Take
you,
care,
people.
sir.
Take
Take
care.
care, guys.
And guys, look at this. Hello. Please do solve your exercise sums. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.